Hi, my name is Max Musser. I'm one of the regional sales managers at VTS America, and today we're going to talk about our energy recovery wheels. These wheels are available from AVS 12 all the way up to our AVS 380 sizes, so all the way up pushing 40,000 CFM. A few of the aspects on the wheels, all of our total wheels are 3A molecular sieve coated. So that ensures that they're not going to be cross-contaminating any bad contaminants from the exhaust airstream down back into the supply airstream. So we can utilize these wheels in hospital, bathroom exhaust applications, and other spots where they would call for a 3A molecular sieve coating. Our wheels are monolithic, so that means they're not going to have any segments or pie pieces inside the wheel. So the advantage with that monolithic wheel is it gives us more surface area to transfer heat through. So you're not going to have any breaks with those segments. So with the monolithic wheel, we can usually experience a little bit better efficiencies through the wheel with the same pressure drop through the wheel. So better efficiencies with less of a pressure drop. Other aspects on this wheel, all of our wheels have a segmented belt. This segmented belt, if it stretches or expands over time or even breaks, it's very easy to remove or replace a segment inside of it. Other item is all of our wheels, we control capacity with ABB drive. It's the ABB ACS 320. It's actually the same drive, micro drive, that we have on all of our fans, and probably one of the more popularly specified micro drives in the market. This wheel, as you can see, is still being wired up. It's going to be tested in quality. We test all of our wheels before they leave our factory. So my name is Max Musser, and this was all about VTS Energy Recovery wheels. If you guys have any additional questions or want maybe a unit selection with a VTS Energy Recovery wheel, I encourage you to reach out to one of our local sales rep partners, or you can hit us at our vtsgroup.com website. Thank you.